Hello class 10 students, welcome to my channel. We are studying respiratory system, and in this video we are going to study the types of organism based upon respiration. So basing upon respiration, an organism can be aerobic or it could be anaerobic. These are important terms and you need to know the meaning of it. Aerobic means requiring oxygen, whereas anaerobic does not require oxygen. This is the main difference between the aerobic and the anaerobic organisms. Under the aerobic organism, we need to learn the example of human beings. We cannot live without oxygen because the cell organelle mitochondria in our body, in each cell of our body, it has the tendency to make ATP. That's why it is known as the powerhouse of the cell. So our mitochondria cannot function if oxygen will not be given to it. Because we are aerobic in nature, we can also be called as aerobes. So the organisms that shows aerobic respiration, they are also being known as aerobes. Means they require oxygen. Means until oxygen will not be given to our body, there will be no ATP production, as ATP is the currency of energy in our body that stands for adenosine triphosphate. Whereas anaerobic organisms, they do not require any oxygen for ATP production. So ATP production is going to happen in them by not taking oxygen. So if you compare the energy production, ATP is producing in aerobic respiration too and anaerobic too. But ATP production in the case of aerobic, it would be more. This is the key point to learn, and here ATP will be less. Moreover, the organisms showing anaerobic respiration, they are known as anaerobes. Okay, so these terms are important. Anaerobes will be the organisms that will show the anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration is a one that does not require oxygen and ATP production will be less in them. We need to learn example of this as well. So yeast, which is an example of a fungus, which is commonly being named as mold, right? Yeast in Hindi, it is known as khameer. It is one of an important organism that is used in the alcohol industry and the baking industry. Yeast does anaerobic respiration. Thus, yeast is an example of anaerobe. Human being, they show aerobic respiration. Thus, they fall in a category of aerobe. Right? Now, my question to you is, are plants aerobe or anaerobes? I hope you have gone through the video seriously. You must be knowing the meaning of aerobe and anaerobe by now. You just need to write in the comment section one word out of these two. Definitely you will be getting a feedback from me whether it is right or wrong, and your name will be taken in the upcoming videos as I am continuously doing. Right? See you in next video with some more learning concept of respiratory system. Thank you.